friends, my name is Ram and today's discussion topic is why string is immutable. So string is a in Java string is a non-primitive data types. So non-primitive means we can size cannot be fixed. So string is a sequence of characters, or also say that the string is a array of elements. So in Java string objects are created by using two ways. First way is by using a new keyword, or another is by using a literal. So by using new keyword, suppose we create the string by using a new keyword like that. Suppose string yes is equal to string yes is equal to new string ABC. So in that case we can occupy the memory in heap area. One object is stored in a heap area, and one object create two objects. One object stored in a heap area and another is stored in a string constant pool. But in create the string by using literals in normal string. That is, suppose string yes1 is equal to welcome. So in that case we can store the string objects are in directly in string constant pool, and reference is provided like yes. So this is two ways to create the string in Java. So another important concept is to why string is immutable. So string immutable means unchangeable, because you can create the string, so we can't change the size or object of this string. So we take simple example, like suppose we create the string, that is string yes, string yes1 is equal to new string xyz. So but I can try to change this string, like suppose we can use the concat method. Suppose yes1 dot concat, or we can provide the xyz, and another is like suppose ABC. So we cannot change the old object, like suppose ABC. We can create the another string like ABC XYZ. So that's why the string is a immutable concept. So another like suppose example, we can create the n number of string, and we can literals are same but references are changed. Like suppose for example string city1 is equal to string city1 is equal to Pune, or we can provide like 10 times. Suppose string city1, city2, city3 or same literals like city Pune, but in like suppose we can change the literal. Suppose string C11 is equal to Mumbai. So in that case we can create the another object. But in all 1 to 10 object, like city 1 to 10, we cannot change the reference. This point of view the Pune. But city 11 is to create the new object like Mumbai, and we point of view this object. So that's why reason the string objects are immutable, because we can't change the size or value of this objects. So this is a concept of string immutable. So thank you.